Now we have a challenging hill outside there, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set, okay, I'm going to set here to snow first, and then click lock. When you click lock, it locks all the tires and it changes the mode right here, showing that it is in a locking mode. So when I start to climb up, it should be able to move without any challenges. Let's see how we handle that hill over there. We handled the hill with ease. Now that I'm on top of the hill, you can see that the car is still in lock mode, which means all the four wheels are locked together. So then, to remove the locked mode, I just click here on back to auto, and the car will go back in the auto mode. So I want to show you a scenario like this when you are in the car and you can't really see what is in front of you, but you know it's a bit dangerous. You see there are stones there, but I cannot see the stones, so I just click this button here. If I click this button here, it will show me what is in front of me, and then I'm able to drive safely. It can even show me the 360 view, so I can see that there are stones there, whereas I can't see them from here. And as I move forward, I can see that now I'm passing between stones. So all this I wouldn't be able to see, but because it shows me the green lines, the purple lines, the red, yellow, blue, I'm able to see how close I am to the stones. And then there's a turn coming up in front. You see that turn there? I can't see it clearly in the car, but because I'm using the camera, I'm able to turn. Okay, I'm able to turn and see. So you see how the turn is, but I'm able to see all that through the camera here, and that makes things easy for me. Welcome back to Leisure. Today we are reviewing this beauty right here, and it has been a year, exactly a year since I started driving this car, and today I felt it was the right time to tell you everything good about it. We are in a very beautiful place in Uganda. Let me first show you the surroundings. Look at that, look at that. Tea estates, the expressway. If you can guess where we are, write down in the comments below. But look at these beautiful landscapes, and I'm here today to show you this beautiful car here. This is the 2024 Suzuki Grand Vitara 1.5 liter mild hybrid. It's a beautiful car. It's not washed, but you'll bear with me. So let me take you around the car. I'll start with the grille in the front. This car has been mistaken for a Range Rover, you know, the smaller size of Range Rover. Many people think it looks exactly like a Range Rover, but better. It has a two-tone finish. Down it is white, and on top it is black, which gives it a very good look. I'll show you. The grille is big, and you can see that it has a camera here with a big Suzuki logo here, and these lamps here work as the full beams and also the half beams. And then it also has daytime running lights on top there. Those daytime running lights also act as indicators. It has spoilers that are contrasting to the body, so they are black, the body is white, which makes them look exactly really good. And now look at these mirrors. They have an indicator here and then another camera down here, which means this car gives you a 360 view of the entire car. This is the side profile when the doors are open. And now let's close the doors. And when the doors are locked, that is how it looks. Beautiful. I think you can agree with me that it looks majestic. Look at that. hybrid all grip, which means it's a 4-wheel drive. Back here we have the indicators, we have the reverse lights all in here. It has a light bar here at the back here, and this lights up, not completely. This gap is left out when it's lighting up, but it looks really nice in combination with that light there, the back light. Beautiful. Okay, now let's step inside and look at the interior. On the interior, you have a big screen here that takes in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, with a steering wheel with so many controls for the audio, cruise control. You have another display, digital display in the middle there, and it shows you which doors are open. Look at that. The gauge cluster is clean and nice. It has a handbrake, an actual one, not the one for stepping, and it has some storage. This is the gear shifter. Then we have some storage here, but it's full. Of course, this is the car I drive every day, so I really like the storage that is in this car. It is still brand new. The carpets may look dirty, but you'll see that the polythene is still there. These are just good enough to cover here, and when it's washed, it looks all new. And if you look here, the carpet is still new, never stepped on. Beautiful. We have all these buttons here. We have a heads-up display. When the car is on, let's switch on the car and I show you the heads-up display. So when the car is on, and you click HUD, you'll see that the heads-up display comes up, and it gives you critical information like the speed. See, now it's flashing hello, and it shows the open doors. It gives you critical information. Instead of looking down here on the gauge cluster, you just keep your eyes on the road, and the information is just there floating on the road. Okay, and then it has a sunroof as well. Let me first open it for you. It opens all the way. It is a panoramic sunroof. Look at that. It opens all the way to the back, and we can even open the glass itself, which also goes all the way to the back. This is perfect for politicians who want to campaign from here. And when you click here once like that, it then closes, and then the cover also closes. It doesn't have a permanent cover, it's a fabric material. It's a fabric material, but it keeps most of the light out. Then I'll show you the engine bay as promised. You just pull this latch here like this. Yeah, it's dirty. It hasn't been washed in a long time, but the engine works perfectly, and it doesn't have to be washed all the time. It is designed to withstand all this dust. Yes, but it looks clean, never touched. Everything looks as good as new. It's just a matter of cleaning, and it will be good. This is the battery that comes with the car, and that is the 1.5 liter petrol engine. It is mild hybrid, so it has a small battery inside the car under the passenger seat in front, and that has a motor. It's connected to a motor that supplements or complements the engine. Whenever you need more torque, the motor kicks in, but the rest of the time you're mostly running on the engine, and the car cannot run on the motor alone. Okay, so that is how it's designed. The other thing that I like about this car is the seats on the inside. They are made out of leather, so they are super easy to clean. They are leather all through, including the armrest. It's leather, and it has cup holders here. The passengers get vents. They also get the charging ports, USB-C and USB type A. You have the storage down here. You have this back here. The door bins are not the biggest, but they are just enough. They are small, but they look good. One thing I also noticed in the time I've been driving it, the headrests for the back, this is how they are shaped, and the ones for the front are shaped like this. They're shaped like this. So the ones from the front, in the front, are a bit longer. All the passengers have grab handles except the driver, which I think was a miss, because sometimes when I'm off-roading I need to be able to grab onto something. I end up keeping all my hands on the steering wheel because I think that's how they intended it. Yeah. Okay, good. Now I'm going to show you some things on the inside here. We have storage up here. I usually keep my money in there. Money falling out. I usually keep my money in there. We have, of course, mirrors with the lighter. Heyo. And then, of course, I showed you the sunroof. Now I'm going to show you this screen right here. It connects to my phone every time I'm near the car or I enter the car, and I can access all my apps from here, including Microsoft Teams, podcast, Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music. Everything is here. And I'll show you something else. If I click here, and then now I can select different modes of the listening of the audio experience. I could I just come here. If I click mode, then it will switch to a radio, and you can hear already music has been switched on. Let me mute that. But I'm able to select the FM stations. If I click here, then it will search for different channels and keep sampling me until I'm happy with the channel. Then I can click stop. If I click stop, then it will stop on that particular channel. But if I don't click stop, it will keep scanning and sampling me different channels, which I think is really good. The climate control is through these tactile buttons. There's a small screen here that shows you the fan level and the power of the fan. It has auto stopping if you are in the traffic and you step on the brake. If you're in the traffic and you stop, my brother, your phone is shouting for me. If you're in the traffic and you step on the brake, the engine will shut off automatically, but you can stop that by clicking this button here. It has sonar sensors, proximity sensors. If you come near something, let's say you're reversing, it will sense it and beep and give you that alertness that you're coming close to something dangerous. Then it has, of course, the cigarette lighter that I also use as a charging port, but you can also use the USB here provided. I like this gear shifter. It's easy. It looks like a manual one, which you can also do because it has the M option here, the manual one. So you can use these paddle shifters to change the gears. You can reduce the gear, increase, go to a higher gear, plus. Yeah. When you switch off the car, the heads-up display covers itself automatically. It has hill descent control. When you're sloping on hills, it will to control the car for you, for the car not to slide. So it has a lot of features. I'll not mention the price. I think you can check with Toyota on the price, but currently I'll give you an estimate. Currently it's going for about 40,000 USD, but earlier on it was a bit cheaper. When I acquired this car, it was cheaper. Yeah, it was cheaper than that. So every year these cars just keep increasing in price, so the earlier you get it, the better. And the audio in this car is good. It has these tweeters here with the big speakers in the doors, both in front and behind, and the audio quality is good. It's good. I can't complain about it. It has accent lighting in the night. You will see a light in there, in that strip there, and in the doors, like here, inside here, in the night they will be glowing. It does not it's not bright in your eyes, but it's there, so it allows you to see these handles really easily. Yes. So that's it about the Suzuki Grand Vitara. If I have made a video about this car before, not this particular one, but one that had been lent to me by my friend at Suzuki, Moses Oguzu. You can ask for that gentleman. He's the one who sold me this car. He's a very good guy, and I'm sure he will be able to sort you out if you need a Suzuki. Yeah. So this is it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. like the video, subscribe, and let me know which other videos you want to see. Bye.